Hey, I was sent this handy Fanttik D2 laser level to check out, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts. Here's the box that it comes in. Now, I already opened this up. This did come packaged nice and clean, nice and compact. Here is the level itself. This is very compact. It's very lightweight too. It's about 0.56 pounds. So you can kind of bring this with you wherever. It packs very nicely. It's got a nice carrying bag. It's got a power cord. This is a USB-C cord. I love that this came pre-charged, so you can use this right out of the box. It's also got a little portable mount here. This has magnets on the back, and you can mount it on anything that's magnetic. I definitely recommend using this on a tripod. There are threads right on the bottom to screw it onto your tripod. This is easy to use and operate. It doesn't take that long to understand how it works. I also really love that this has a self-leveling mode, easy to turn on. And there's like a little pendulum in here that will self-level. We are going to check out the self-leveling mode right now. Here's a wall-mounted TV that I want to level out. This level makes it so easy to straighten my TV. I love that I can free my hands up to focus on adjusting the TV so it's perfectly straight. Now you can see this is an Osram green light. This is a brighter light than your traditional red lasers. So this is very bright. You can use it outside and it displays very well. It's very easy to see. Here I'm going to test out the self-leveling function with a standard level. You can see the green line matches right up to my straightened level. This level works great for hanging pictures. I can easily line it up with the corner here to make sure my picture is level and plumb. You can also place this anywhere in your room. It doesn't have to be directly in front of the object that you are leveling. It's so cool how the line continues around this corner, so you can level multiple objects on the same line. This is also built solid. It is covered with rubber for drop resistance and high durability. Here I am checking out how plumb this brick is. It looks like they did a pretty good job laying this out. On this particular model, this has a 100-foot range indoors. If you're outside, it'll go up to about 164 feet. It's got a nice pulse mode that helps you see from a distance. I really love how this has a rechargeable battery built in. This will charge up to 500 times. The battery will also last up to 10 hours on a full charge. You also have a battery indicator light on the top. That way you know when you have to recharge it. This also works great in obscure places where a standard level would be difficult to use. You can set your level up from a distance in an area that would be hard to work in. If you need to install something at an angle, you can use the manual mode and aim it to your desired angle. Overall, I really love the compact, lightweight design of this. It's very versatile for many different functions. This is going to be awesome for hanging pictures, straightening my TV. Honestly, the opportunities are endless with this thing. I also love the design of this. It's nice, sleek, modern looking design, and it's a great addition to my toolbox.